Okay, sa pagpapatuloy nung training natin, so yung kanina na sabi ko nakatago, meron akong tinago doon banda sa area na yon. Yan, so tingnan natin kung makukuha ni Poker. I-off-leash ko siya sa paghahanap. Let's see. Okay, come on Poker. Heel. Sit. Stay. That's good. Okay, sit. Stay, that's good, huh? Stay. Oh, Poker, huh? Stay. That's good. Stay. Yeah, find the bomb. Go, find the bomb. Can you sit? No, sit. That's a good boy, sit. That's a good boy. That's nice. Good boy, Poker. That's good. That's my boy. Go. Sit. Good boy. So, tingnan natin na yan. Hindi ko siya itutulog kung saan siya pupunta. Diskarte niya. Good boy. Sit. That's good. Go ahead. Good boy, Poker. That's nice. Good boy. That's good. That's my boy. That's good. That's good boy. That's nice. There you go. Good boy. Sit. That's good. Go. That's nice. Good boy, Poker. That's my boy. That's good boy. Such a good boy. Yan na, yan na. Yan na yung 8. Ako tinago. Tinan mo yung reaction ng aso. Yan na yan. Come on, buddy. Sit. Good boy. That's good. Good job. That's good. Stay. That's a good boy. Stay. Stay. Yan yung 8. Yan. Such a good boy, huh? That's my boy. Stay. Good boy. That's good. That's nice. Yes. Good boy. That's good. Yes. That's a good boy. Yes. Good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. Yes. Good boy. That's good. Yes. That's nice. Okay. Come on. Out. Press it. That's a good boy. Stay. Okay. Out. Out. Stay. That's good. Good boy. Go fetch. That's a good boy. Yes. Good boy. Yeah. Come on, boy. That's my boy. It's good. Yeah, boy. Yes. You're such a good boy. Yes. Okay, sit. No. Hit. No. Okay, stay. Okay, out. No, hey. Out. That's good. Stay.